Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to make face mask out of milk. We know we drink milk, but we know the benefits of milk for our body, but the milk really benefits our skin also. So I will show you how to make different types of masks using milk and which is beneficial for your skin. So let's get started with the video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, share my video and like my video. Now let's get started with the video. Okay, the first use of milk is for cleansing our skin. For cleansing, what you can do is to take a spoon of milk and mix coffee with that and just make a proper paste of it and just apply on your skin and just cleanse your skin with that. That will really help to remove all the gunk in your skin and all the dirt present on your skin. It will really cleanse your skin and make your skin very much good. It will remove all the dead cells from your skin and the dry skin, which some people have dry patches, so you can do that, and that is really helpful. So this was our first use of milk using coffee. Okay guys, the second use of milk is milk when mixed with sugar. You have to take milk, just add sugar and mix it properly, and you have to keep the granules like that only. Then you have to scrub that milk and sugar on your skin. That will really exfoliate your skin and remove all the dry skin, all the dead skin from your skin. So the second use of milk is when you mix the milk with sugar, it really helps to exfoliate your skin for removing your dead skin. So the second use is for removing your dead skin. The third use of milk is milk when mixed with aloe vera gel really helps to give you a soothing effect. People who have red spots, redness in your skin, or your skin burns, so what you can do is you can take milk, add aloe vera gel and just mix it and apply on your skin and just keep it on your skin for some time. That's a really good mask. It really help acne people who have red spots, and it will give a very soothing effect to them. So the third use of it is you have to take milk, mix aloe vera gel and just apply like a mask and keep it for 15 minutes, and it will give you a very soothing effect, and it's a very good, just try it. Okay guys, the fourth use of milk is everybody wants glowing skin, and it's a very affordable way to get glowing skin at your home. Now we are not doing facials outside, so what you can do is take raw milk. You have to take raw milk for all the masks I have shown before also. Take raw milk, mix honey in that and just apply as a mask on your skin. It will really give you a glowing skin, and honey really helps to give moisture to your skin, and it really helps to give glow to your skin. So this is a very affordable mask. You can try it and keep it for 15 minutes. Honey mixed with milk, raw milk, will give you a glowing effect, and it's a very good remedy. Just try it, and it's affordable also. So you can try it, and milk really benefits your skin. There is no side effect on your skin applying this, so you can try it. The fifth one which I am showing you is for acne people. People who have acne and they have pimples all over their face and they have redness all over their skin. So what you all can do is take milk, add turmeric in the milk and refrigerate in your ice cube tray for some time, and then just apply the cube of turmeric and milk on your face. Ice cube of turmeric and milk on your face. Turmeric will help to reduce your acne. It will really give you a very soothing effect while you apply the ice cubes on your face. And people who have pigmentation, that they can also use it. It's a very good hack. Just try it. Mix raw milk with turmeric and make ice cube of that and just apply on the face. I'll insert a picture above it so you can see how it looks. Okay guys, I hope all these remedies were useful for you. Just try all the masks and let me know in the comment section below, was this useful for you or no. Okay guys, bye, take care. If you want me to do any review about anything, you can just let me know in the comment section below. I'll do that for you, and please hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Bye guys, take care, stay healthy.